money. That's why you can't go there. You can't go there, Brian, if you don't have money. Unless you fly at night. That's not a problem if I travel. That's okay. If that's not if money is it's not your problem, then well, that's good. Congratulations to you. But in my case, traveling is just as such a huge problem. Kung panggaon ni mo na, di gyud na mohawa. Ang bodoy pinangga. Mayo magud kay siguro kung mopangga ili maong pati ubo di na mohawa. Kaingon daw sila ubo na lay gahi. That's what I said. Kay spacean ka na. That's what I said. Okay, congratulations if that's. You didn't need to worry about that. Oh, wow. Congratulations. You have a lot of money? You have a lot of money, Brian. That's why traveling is not a big problem for you. You want to go there in Pampanga or Angeles? Money is spent, not to save. Okay. If money is about to spend, then you're not going to save, Brian? You're just going to spend all the time, not to save? Mangga peanut food. If that's the case, then what's the reason of saving money? If all the time we don't have money. Ay! Ano kayo, ano? Uy. Live tani mapinatay ko ata man. Sa kanang YouTube man.
Nakakaya ano na. Nakakaya nga na ay pero?
Sa YouTube ako Yeah, nothing. Money is to spend. Okay, then that's congratulations. Okay, give me some super stickers kanang Brian be. If money is about to spend. Okay, spend your money in super stickers and super chat. Dakog kita din ba eh. Depende lang kung na kayo. Karon no, tanawa. Akong kwan sa YouTube. $209 times kwan na. Dili, 57 man ang dollars, 209. 57 man ang $1. Oh, abot pa siya 11 mil. Kuag tax. No digital only. Are you sure? I have a Western Union account too. You want there? You want to send me there? Yeah, give it. Okay. I will chat you. Diba you have my FB account, Brian? Okay, chat me now. Your messenger. Sure. Okay, chat me. If you do, I do.